So we are about to get on one of these little planes and fly over the Whitsundays Islands, the Heart Reef, and the Great Barrier Reef. So guys, we just got to Airlie Beach. We're staying at Club Wyndham Hotel. This is the hotel property. Our room is right there up behind the trees in the corner. We got a nice view of the whole harbor thing. Got a pool right here and a restaurant. But since we're at the top of a hill, there's like a little shortcut. It's a lot of stairs. Yeah, it's pretty steep, but a little shortcut instead of taking the road down the hill. So you gotta go down all these stairs and you eventually make it out to the main street. All right, let me get down. I'm about to go take a little swim. Oh yeah, by the way, that scenic flight to over Whitehaven Beach, the Great Barrier Reef, was pretty amazing. One of the best beaches in the world, one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. So it's like kind of like a must go to in Australia. Definitely if you're in the Great Barrier Reef area. Definitely 100% if you're in the Airlie Beach area. So I would definitely recommend that. There's a bunch of tours that will take you out there. Boat tours, scenic tours, flights, helicopter flights. Just a bunch of tours that'll take you out there on the water and stuff and over the water. So be sure if you ever come to Australia, you have to check out the Whitsundays Islands, because that's where we are, the Whitsundays. All right, let's go. So in Airlie Beach, you cannot swim in the water. I mean, you can, but during summer months, you can't unless you have a stinger suit, because they have stingers in the water. Stingers are another word for jellyfish. They have the most poisonous sea animal in the world, or something like that, the most venomous. So if you get stung by one of these jellyfish, it's like 3 different kinds. If you get stung by one of these jellyfish, you will die in like 15 minutes or something like that from poisoning. So don't jump in the water during the summer months, which runs from like, I think it's like, what is it, like November to April or something like that. Because if you didn't know, we are in the southern hemisphere. And in the southern hemisphere, it's the opposite. The months are the opposite than in the US. So here, winter would be winter would be what? Like May to, I don't know, whatever the opposite of the US is. That's what winter would be here. So, and then summer starts December 1st all the way to like February, March time. So yeah, it's very different here. But what I noticed is it's very clean here. It's like a better version of the US. There's 300 million less people. There's no stop signs anywhere. Well, there's a couple, but there's no stop signs. They use roundabouts, which makes for better traffic. It's also cleaner than the US. There's no violence here, and it's just overall nicer. Everything is just nicer here. People are nice. It's pretty cool. And that beach is Whitehaven. here's the lagoon. It's huge. It goes all the way to where those tents are. And then over there is like a sandy beach area. Pretty cool. You got the grass everywhere around here for people to lay out. It's really nice. This is about it. I'm heading up the stairs. That was a freaking bad accent. Heading up the stairs back to the Club Wyndham. It was kind of tricky finding this place, but we kind of figured it out. But we gotta walk up all these stairs. Whew. And it's a tough one. It's a tough one, I might add. I reckon you take a cab or something to get all the way up the hill. It's better than walking. But that's a wrap. This is our last day. This was our last full day in Airlie Beach. By the way, how do you like my Australian accent? Ooh, I'm already tired. This was our last day in Airlie Beach, Whitsundays. The scenic flight was amazing. Amazing, perfect. The Hort Reef, Whitehaven Beach, the Great Barrier Reef. It's cool. But I just got out of the water and now I'm back walking up to the hotel room. Gonna order some food from the room service and then we get to go to sleep. We gotta catch a flight tomorrow back to Sydney. First is Brisbane, then Sydney. But our flight is not until like 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna head back down there in the morning to fly my drone. Take some pictures with my film camera, my Nikon F3, and then some more photos and videos. But I'll definitely fly my drone. Stick around to the end of this video because you'll see that drone footage. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and here's that drone footage of Airlie Beach.